Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my wedding series of Mary's Getting Married. It is going to be an unboxing of the, I guess like a bridal box that my fiance actually put me in a subscription for. I will be getting 9 boxes. I will be getting a box every third month until our actual wedding day. It's this box. It's the Mrs. to Miss bridal box, and I'm super excited because every third month I will be getting one of these goodie boxes full of, I guess, wedding stuff that will help me along the way. By the way, this video is not sponsored by them. I just want to record my journey and of my wedding experience so I could have memories when I get older and stuff like that. So I hope you guys could go ahead and see this very well. Let's say for every bride to be. And it just gives you like their little cards. And it says, let's plan this. It does give you an overview of what you are getting in your first box. So I will be getting these 7 items. So I will be getting a giant love balloon, all that sparkles jewelry wipes, future Mrs. Planner, diamond top pin, 18 karat plated necklace, I said yes tumbler, wedding day countdown calendar. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's open this. And I before I open it, I just want to say, like, this packaging is super cute. So it also gives a card that says 11 things every maid of honor should do. Plan the bachelorette party, plan the wedding shower, be a pal, keep everyone on schedule on the big day, sign and witness the marriage license, get all the gifts home, hold budget during ceremony, toast the bride, keep the ring safe, make an emergency kit, help pick dresses. So yeah, I will be giving this to my maid of honor. And then it also gives you a card that says wedding hacks, the date, wedding venue, bridal gown, decorations, flowers, wedding ring, the photos, additional hacks. So I thought that was super cute too. Oh, look at all these beautiful themes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that my eyes plead to is this beautiful velvet little pocket thing. Open her up. Oh, it's so cute. And it does say, congratulations to the future Mrs. 18 karat gold plated. Super cute. And the next thing is all that sparkles jewelry wipes. 10 towelettes to clean your jewelry. Cute. I guess it opens like this. Pretty sure. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. It's just this one. So it is this I said yes tumbler. It could be like a coffee mug. You could put a straw through it. So yeah, it's super cute. I love it. And it just looks so good. The next thing I see is this future Miss Planner, planning your happily ever after, which is super cute. Save for the big day. Notes. Cute. The next thing I see is these 2 diamond pens. I've actually always wanted some of these. Super, super cute. Packaging says, "You got this." Cute. And then this one says, "Love balloon tassel and kit." It just comes with this big old balloon with these cute tassels. Shows you how to put it together. Cute. And I think what I'm most excited about is this countdown for your wedding. Days until you plus me become we. Super, super cute. That is it for this video, and I hope you did enjoy this unboxing of the Mrs. to Miss bridal box. I hope you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. But yes, until next time, bye loves. Mwah.